What the? That was like... That's so weird. We were all the way like out here. If we pose in front of the camera, it's going to be a great shot because there's no one here to take a picture of us.
You're like a 50-year-old man, 17-year-old girl's body. Every time.
Oh, lovely.
It's where the river is. It forms a bit of a lagoon which we used to jump into because it's kind of still free flowing. It's fucking freezing.
Yeah. On my birthday we jumped in the rain. It was freezing.
We got shocked like instantly. It was bad.
We just ran for it. We just did it. Whoa!
Regrettable that was, wasn't it?
Oh.
Yeah.
That was so hot.
Any like spare cardboard?
Oh, do you know what? Cardboard. Like a pizza box.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. Just like.
Are you gonna make a fire now?
Oh, not now. Yeah.
Oh, but are you gonna light it now?
Don't breathe in underwater.
I breathed in through my nose. I sneezed in.
How's that feeling? My hair's stuck in my bra. We look like drowned rats on a bed.
Fuck that off.